Hey, Skratch! Give me a B! Hey class, come on in. Welcome to the Needlz and Skratch workshop. Sorry about the mess. Skratch saved all his cereal box tops to get a really big surprise. Ugh. And in a few days, we'll find out what it will be. Is that the last bowl? Whoa, that was a big burp, Skratch. I almost flew away. All right, it's almost time for package pickup. So you get these cereal tops ready and I'll get class started, okay? All right, everybody, class is in session. Before we get into the groove, let's get those fingers in tune. Because in today's workshop, we're gonna learn about...
You got a package!
Whoa! Wow, that was fast. Hey, Skratch, your surprise just arrived. Really? Are you sure it won't open? Oh no. If Skratch can't get the box to open, then how do we get the surprise inside? You know, when I feel a little frustrated, I take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Watch this. Deep breath in and slowly out. Join with us, class. All right, guys. We're going to learn some breathing exercises to help us when we get mad, sad, or frustrated. You ready? Here we go. When you're feeling kind of mean, then you need to breathe. If you're ever mad or sad, this can help you be as happy as a squirrel with a chestnut in a tree. Trust me, if you don't believe it, take a second, try to breathe. Breathe into the nose and hold it in. Now out through the mouth and once again. Breathe into the nose and hold it in. Now out through your mouth and once again. All right, guys. Breathe along with me as we try a fun breathing way to help us out when things get tricky. You ready? Let's do it. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Now hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Now hold. 2, 3, 4, and breathe. Don't worry, Skratch. With a little bit of teamwork, we'll get this box to open. Right, class? Let's grab our thinking caps. Oh, yeah. I can feel those ideas coming. All right, class. It's thinking time. Brain power, think, think, think. Brain power, think, think, think. What's that? Your brain is thinking of an arrow? Really? Where do you see that at? Oh, I see it. I see the arrow. Great job, class. I knew our caps would work. Follow me, Skratch. Okay. The arrow says press here. Okay, let's see what happens.
Oh, yeah. You press the keypad. Now follow the beatbox. It's the only way for the box to unlock.
Beatbox? Did you say beatbox? Yep, that's what it says. Skratch loves beatboxing. It's his special way to talk to me. Do you know how to beatbox? You can use your mouth, your nose, and your lips to make musical sounds when you're beatboxing.
All right. Listen closely and follow every sound I do, and I'll open the box just for you. Are you ready? Then let's get groovy! Is that your final answer? Well then, it sounds like you're the winner! You are the winner!
You did it! You did it, Skratch! I knew you could do it! Look! The box is opening!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our grand prize winner, Skratch! You just won a fully digital, limited edition Turntable Series 45! But you can call me TT45 for short.
Well, TT45, I'm Needlz. That's my brother Skratch. And this is our workshop, where we have music class and repair instruments that need our help. Hey class, wave hello to TT45.
What's happening, everybody? Repairing instruments, you say? TT45 is my name, and tuning and grooving is my thing. Zip zap, zippity woo! My musical records can help you and your friends. Check it out. We have the string family, the brass family, the woodwind family, the keyboard family, and the percussion family. 5 records for 5 different music groups. Now look at my screen. Just match the record with their instrument group and zip, zap, zippity woo! They're as good as new.
Whoa, that's so cool. I can't wait to try that out. Excuse me.
Don't worry, I'll get their attention.
Thank you, TT45. Are you guys okay?
Well, I feel a little dizzy, but I'm okay.
No, you're not okay. I'm Embra. This is my brother Macho, and we are the Bongo Twins. We heard about your workshop helping instruments with very big problems.
That's right. You came to the right place. So what seems to be the problem?
Tonight, we perform at the Grand Musical Festival with musical artist PG. But I'm afraid we're not able to make it. This is very frustrating.
That's right, Skratch. Taking a deep breath will help whenever you're feeling frustrated. All right, everyone. Let's take a moment to take a deep breath. Now follow me. Take a deep breath in. And slowly out.
You know, I'm starting to feel a little bit better. Macho, tell them why we're here.
While rehearsing for our show, I guess I was practicing too hard, and I tore a hole in my drum. We don't want to miss our concert. Can you fix it, please?
You betcha we can fix it. Now stand next to me, and we shall see who is your music family. Macho and Imbre are from the percussion family.
We sure are.
What are percussion instruments?
The bongos are an Afro-Cuban instrument from the percussion family. Bongos typically come in a set that includes 2 different sized drums. In Spanish, the large female drum is called imbre, and the smaller male drum is called macho. The bongo instruments are very popular in Latin American music like the Congo, salsa, or the mambo.
Thanks, TT45. Now we know what percussion instruments are. Okay, Macho, let's get you back in tune.
Hey, Skratch, get on up here. All right, Needlz, now throw me the green percussion record.
You got it. Okay, class, I need your help. Which one is the green percussion record? That's it. That's the green percussion record. Great job, class. Hey, Skratch, give me a B.
All right, Macho, now give it a try.
You did it! My drum is fixed!
We have a message coming through.
Hey, Needlz and Skratch, have you seen the Bongo Twins?
It's PG.
Our concert's about to start in a few minutes and I can't find them.
We're right here, PG.
And look, my drum is fixed and it sounds great!
Well, let's hear how good it sounds.
Hey, Skratch, give me a beat. Hey, kid, this is PG. We're going to talk about the bongo, a percussion instrument. And we're going to hear the bongo today. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Oh, that bongo sounds really good. You can hear the bongo play. This is the hembra sound, yes. Now it's your turn, Macho. Oh, that sounds really good. All together now. This is PG presenting the bongo. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
That sounds awesome, guys. We gotta go. The concert's about to start.
Come on, Macho, we can't be late. Bye, Needlz and Skratch. Thank you again.
Bye, Macho. Bye, Hembra. Good luck with the concert. That was amazing. With our teamwork, there's no problem that we can't solve. So, TT45, Skratch and I are officially making you a new member of our workshop.
Sip, sap, sippity, woo! I'd love to be a part of your crew.
Well, that's the bell. Hey, Skratch, give me a beat. Thanks for your help, class. Our teamwork helped Skratch open his surprise, fix Macho's drum. I can't wait to see who we help tomorrow. Till then, have a groovy day. Bye.
Run that, 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 run that.
Hello? Hello? Is there anybody here? Looks like I'm gonna have to fix these strings on part 2, dudes. Cool. Later. Groovy.